3 reasons why you should feed your baby organic baby food. Are you a new parent? If you are, you may be looking for safe and healthy foods to feed your baby. When doing so, you will find that you have a small number of options. Unfortunately, a large number of baby foods currently on the market cannot be considered completely natural. If this causes you concern, you may want to take the time to examine organic baby food. As nice as it is to hear that organic baby food is safe and healthy to feed your baby, you may be looking for reasons why you should do so. After all, organic food is known for its increased prices. There are many first-time parents who wonder if the cost is truly worth it. After a close examination, you will see that it is. In fact, there are at least 3 reasons why you should feed your new baby organic baby food. 1. Organic baby food is healthy. The health reasons are just one of the many reasons why organic baby food is ideal for babies. As previously stated, many food products designed for babies cannot be considered completely natural. This is because many companies add in unhealthy sugars and other additives. This is not the case with organic foods. Although there is no scientific proof, there are many individuals, including parents, who claim that organic food can help to improve a child's health as well as their behavior now and in the long run. Despite the lack of scientific proof, many parents are not willing to take the chance. Another impact has to do with recalls. Whether it be recalls on toys, food, or clothing, parents are concerned with companies following all government restrictions to the letter. Many wonder if a toy manufacturer can put too much lead in a toy. Can too many chemicals make their way into baby food? 2. The options that you have. Another one of the many reasons why all parents should consider feeding their babies organic baby food is because of the options that they have in terms of flavors. Unfortunately, many parents mistakenly believe that choosing organic foods limit the number of foods their children will be able to consume. Yes, this is true in some cases, but you may be surprised how many flavors and different variety food are available for babies and other small children. As an example of having an option in terms of organic baby food, Earth's Best Organic is a well-known supplier and product manufacturer of organic foods for families. In terms of their jarred baby food, which is ideal for infants, they have flavors that include apples, carrots, bananas, peas, sweet potatoes, and pears. It is also important to mention that these flavors are only for jarred baby food. Organic formula, rice cereals, and other snacks can be made organically as well. 3. You can make your own organic baby food. As previously stated, organic baby food does cost more than traditional foods. This is due in part to the extra steps that must be taken to ensure that all foods are organic, including certification. Although many grocery stores and organic food stores, both are on and offline, offer sales and discounts, the cost may still be too much for many parents. If it is for you, you can still feed your baby organic baby food by making your own. In fact, you may be surprised just how easy it is to do so. All you need to do is find homemade baby food recipes and make sure that you use organic fruits and vegetables. As you can see, there are a number of reasons, 3 of which were outlined above, why organic food is great for babies. If you are concerned with your child, their health, and the ingredients found in many common foods, organic baby food should be examined. In addition to jarred baby food, there are also companies that sell organic food that is designed for toddlers.